Everyone thinks the automotive industry is a man's world, but think again. Women had an impact not only on the automotive industry's history, but their future. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. The once male-dominated sectors such as automotive, culinary, and directing are transitioning to be more welcoming to women. Not only do women now work in the automotive industry, as I do, but ladies have had an impact on the invention of present-day technology within vehicles. We've discovered a few interesting facts about women in our history that have made new inventions impacting the use of cars. Starting with the beginning of the windshield wipers. Mary Anderson in 1905 created and designed the first manual set of windshield wipers. Then the first set of automatic windshield wipers, they were created by Jean Jennings Bridgewood in 1917. As well, the first invention of the turn signal and brake lights. They were designed by Florence Lawrence in 1914. She had a stop sign painted on a hinge board that operated by a cable system when applying the brakes. It would pop up on the back of her car. She also used flags that would stick out of her windows when she wanted to turn. Lastly, the first brake linings on brake pads and brake shoes, they were invented by Bertha Benz, the wife of Carl Benz. Benz, that sounds familiar. Carl was the inventor of the Mercedes-Benz. Oh, well, back to present-day women. I know, I got a friend. Men play a big role too. But women, they continue to play a role in the automotive industry. Mary Barra, she is the first Chief Executive Officer of General Motors, making history as one of the first women CEO of a major global automaker. Women continue to strive with new innovations and contributions to society. We're empowering. Go women! Now, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to share the video, hit the share button. And if you have any questions or comments, enter them below. I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. Oh, and come visit us. My daughter and I, we're in the front. We'd love to see you and say hello.